All right, let's jump right in with the question. When you think of a modern factory, what's the single most important machine that comes to mind?
I bet your mind immediately goes to something big and impressive, right? Like a giant stamping press, or one of those super complex robotic arms, maybe a ridiculously fast assembly line.
Well, what if I told you the most crucial machine isn't really a machine at all? It's something else. It's the system, the whole process, the place that everything else absolutely depends on to function.
We're talking about the warehouse. Yeah, the warehouse. Think about it. It's the powerful, complex engine that's literally driving the entire manufacturing plant. If that engine dies, nothing moves. Period.
Okay, so let's really run with this engine idea. Because just like a car engine, if your warehouse isn't perfectly tuned, the whole manufacturing operation just sputters and stalls out. And a messy, poorly managed warehouse, that's not some small headache. No, it's a massive, critical failure just waiting to happen.
And when that breakdown happens, the cost is just huge. You get production delays because the assembly line is literally sitting there waiting for parts. You get material losses because things just vanish in the chaos. All of this jacks up your operational costs, and you know who feels it at the end of the line? Your customers. They get frustrated, they get unhappy. The stakes here are incredibly high. So, the big question is, how do you keep this engine running like a dream? Well, it all starts with the fuel, right? And in our case, the fuel is the raw materials. How you manage the flow of that fuel, that's probably one of the most fundamental decisions you can make.
And it really boils down to two core methods. You've got FIFO, which stands for first in, first out. Super simple. Think of a line at the grocery store. The first one in is the first one served. Then you have LIFO, last in, first out. Picture a stack of plates in your cabinet. You almost always take the one from the top, the last one you put in. Now, LIFO has its moments, but for quality control, FIFO is pretty much the gold standard.
And here's exactly why that matters so much. If you're in an industry that deals with anything that can expire or spoil, we're talking food, pharmaceuticals, even certain chemicals, then using FIFO isn't just a nice to have, it is an absolute non-negotiable must. It's all about ensuring safety and preventing just mountains of waste.
All right, so we've got our fuel system sorted. Next up, the engine block itself, the physical structure. And in our warehouse, that's the layout. A bad layout? It's a recipe for bottlenecks and total chaos. But a smart layout? That ensures everything flows with peak efficiency.
Think about the journey of every single part. It comes in the door at receiving, then it gets put away systematically in storage. Later, it's picked for the production line. And finally, the finished product is sent out from dispatch. A great layout just makes that whole trip as short, simple, and painless as possible.
And look, a smart layout isn't just about things looking neat and tidy. It has real, tangible benefits. You get faster movement of materials simply because people aren't walking as far. Handling time goes way down. You use your space better, and, maybe most importantly, it improves worker safety by cutting down on congestion and having clear, safe paths for everyone.
Okay, so we've got the fuel in the engine block. But how does this engine know if something's wrong? Well, every modern car has that check engine light, a whole diagnostic system, right? The warehouse has its own version, and it's called Material Traceability.
So what is traceability? It's pretty simple, actually. It's the ability to track any material, any component, from the moment it enters your supply chain all the way to the finished product. You do this with unique IDs, like batch numbers or lot numbers. It means you know exactly where everything came from and exactly where it all went.
And believe me, the stakes are incredibly high here. Imagine a bad batch of raw materials gets into your system. With good traceability, you can find it instantly. Without it, well, like the quote says, quality control becomes a nightmare. A tiny problem can blow up into a massive, eye-wateringly expensive recall.
And this isn't some niche, nice-to-have idea. For the big players, we're talking automotive, pharmaceuticals, food manufacturing. This kind of high-level traceability isn't just a good practice. It's often mandated by law. It's all about safety, quality, and protecting the consumer.
Okay, let's recap. We've got the fuel system, the engine block, and the diagnostic system. What's missing? The brain, the central computer that controls and coordinates everything. In the world of manufacturing, we call that the Enterprise Resource Planning System, or ERP for short.
And let's be crystal clear about something. Modern warehouses do not run on clipboards and spreadsheets anymore. Those days are long, long gone. The sheer complexity of today's manufacturing just demands a powerful, integrated digital brain.
Think of the ERP as the central nervous system. It connects everything. The warehouse sees exactly what purchasing is ordered, in real time. Production knows precisely what materials are on the shelves. Finance gets a live picture of the whole operation. It puts everyone on the exact same page, which is how you stop disasters before they even start.
And the benefits here are absolutely transformative. When everyone is working from the same single source of truth, human error just plummets. Everything gets faster, tracking is instantaneous, and the coordination between departments is something you just couldn't dream of achieving manually. It really is the digital glue holding the whole thing together.
So let's put it all together. When you combine these 4 pieces, you create something incredibly powerful. You've got your smart inventory flow, that's the fuel. An efficient layout, that's your engine block. Total traceability, that's your diagnostic system. And the integrated ERP, that's the digital brain. That is the recipe for a truly high-performance warehouse engine.
And that leaves us with one final exciting question. We've talked about how this engine works today, but technology is moving at lightning speed. So as robots and AI really start to join the workforce, what's the warehouse engine of tomorrow even going to look like? What new things will it be able to do? Something to think about. Thanks for joining me.